Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to help support the channel. Okay, let's dive in. First things first, you want to head into the Facebook app. Then, click on the three lines that says menu on the bottom right. Once here, you want to click on the drop-down menu under Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. When you're in this tab, click on See More in Account Center. Then Personal Details, which you will then click on Account Ownership and Control, and then the Deactivation or Deletion tab. It will then ask you which account you want to delete, so simply click on the desired account you want to delete, and after this, you'll be asked if you want to deactivate or delete this account. Since we are deleting the account, select the Delete Account option and then click on Continue. Now here, select any reason why you want to delete the account. In my case, I chose I spent too much time on Facebook. Then click Continue. Once you're in this tab, scroll at the very bottom till you see the Continue button and click on it. And for the very last step, you want to input your password, then click Continue, which will then log you out of the account and delete the account. And you're all set. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.